I'm Dana from Alsteel, and today we're gonna jump in our boat because we're gonna see some panels that we run with our new Tech machine. Step 1. In this occasion, the client wants to use a 1.5 mechanical seam, aluminum, made black, all 32, and he used the clip system since we're near to the ocean, and he chose to have aluminum since the aluminum has a better benefits when you build around the oceans. Doesn't have corrosion, it's good for winter resistant, and the best system that we can recommend to this contractor was the 1.5 mechanical. And now I want to talk to you about why people is choosing metal in this area. You're going to see an all this area metal because since we are just right there in the ocean, we are exposed to corrosion. To avoid corrosion, you need to use aluminum. This place was hit very hard by Ian, and that's why you see a lot of rebuilding and also new construction. All the roof that were built with tile or shingles, all of them has been rebuilding with metal. That's why one of the reasons that we choose new Tech, because the roll former is portable and we can bring it anywhere to start producing panels on site. We see the project that we have in the back, and we saw our other project on melt finish. Right now, we're gonna hop in our car and we're gonna see the other project with Dark Brown's 1.5 mechanical seam. We're here in Bonita Springs on our last property of the day. In this case, the contractor chose to install all 32 aluminum, no striation, and the profile that he used, 1.5 mechanical seam, and in this new construction property. This was run on site with our SQ II machine from New Tech. Thank you for watching with me around Bonita Springs. If you need any metal project, just come and check our link, Alsteel Metal Manufacturer, and come and check New Tech Machinery. See you guys next time.